Hi, I am Gilbert Chen from Sunrise Metal. Today, I will answer the 10 most common questions about high-pressure die casting. If you are an engineer, a designer, or just curious about die casting, this will help you understand the key points. High-pressure die casting is a fast and precise way to make metal parts. In this process, molten aluminum is injected into a mold at high speed and pressure, quickly cooling into a solid shape. Compared to other casting methods, high-pressure die casting is much faster and allows for mass production of complex and thin-walled parts. It also provides high accuracy and a smooth surface. As it cools quickly, die-casted parts have stable and strong properties. This makes high-pressure die casting a great choice for industries like cars, electronics, and industrial equipment. High-pressure die casting uses aluminum alloys that flow easily and form well. The most common ones are A380, HPDC 12, and aluminum silicon 12. A380 is popular because it has a good mix of strength, corrosion resistance, and stability, making it ideal for car parts and electronics. HPDC 12 is better at resistance, heat cracks, making it good for complex thin-wall parts. Aluminum silicon 12 has excellent corrosion resistance and flows well, making it perfect for high-precision parts. Three main factors affect the quality of die-casting parts. Injection speed controls how the molten metal fills into the mold. It starts slow and then speeds up to prevent defects. Injection pressure is applied after filling to make the part denser and stronger. Mold temperature is usually between 180 to 250 Celsius degrees. If it's too low, defects can form. If it's too thin, the mold can wear out faster. By adjusting these factors, manufacturer can produce strong, high-quality parts and extend the life of the mold. High-pressure die-casting molds usually last between 50,000 to 100,000 uses. Their lifespan depends on the material, cooling system, casting setting, and maintenance. To make the mold last longer, manufacturers use heat-resistant steel like H13 and apply surface treatments to prevent cracks, keeping the mold temperature stable, preventing damage from sudden temperature changes. Controlling the metal temperature, injection speed, and pressure helps reduce wear. Regular maintenance such as polishing and repairing small cracks only also extends the mold life. High-pressure die casting can produce parts as thin as 0.5 mm, but most are between 1 to 3 mm thick. The final thickness depends on the alloy, mold design, and process control. High-pressure die-cast parts can have tolerance as tight as minus plus 0.05 mm. Some very precise parts may need extra machining after casting. To get accurate parts, producers need precise molds, stable casting conditions, and good cooling control. Good design helps die-casting parts turn out strong and easy to make. Keeping wall thickness between 1 to 3 mm and avoiding sudden thickness change help ensure smooth filling and reduce defects. Adding ribs strengthen parts, and using rounded edges helps metal flow better and reduce stresses. Draft angles make sure parts come out the mold easily. A 0.5 to 1.5 degree angles works well for outer walls, and a 1 degree to 3 degree angle is good for inner walls. Design for manufacturing, or DFM, is the key to success in high-pressure die casting. First, using uniform wall thickness and proper draft angles helps with smooth manufacturing. Then, good mold design with proper air venting prevents trapped air and ensures complete filling. Last, running mold flow simulations before production helps find and fix potential problems early. Porosity is hard to remove completely, but it can be reduced. Using vacuum die castings removes trapped air and make parts denser. Designing the mold with good venting allows air to escape during casting. Keeping aluminum pure and controlling the melting temperature also helps reduce gas absorption, improving overall part quality. High-pressure die casting is evolving to make parts with higher performance, more intelligent, and more environmentally friendly. Larger one-piece castings for car frames reduce assembly steps and weight. New methods like vacuum die casting and semi-solid die casting help reduce defects and improve qualities. Smart manufacturing with AI and real-time monitoring make casting more efficient. More companies are using recycled aluminum and energy-saving techniques to make high-pressure die casting more eco-friendly. Sunrise Metal uses advanced high-pressure die casting technology to make high-precision aluminum parts. Melted aluminum is moved by a robotic arm into the injection chamber. High pressure pushes the metal into a steel mold, where it cools in seconds. Once solid, an eject system removes the casting. The mold is then sprayed with release agent to prepare for next cycle. The part goes through cooling and post-processing to ensure quality. This controlled process ensures accuracy, consistency, and efficiency. That's it for today's top 10 high-pressure die casting questions. I hope this helped you understand high-pressure die casting better. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to like or follow for more updates on die casting technology. See you next time.